MetaTrader 5 or TradingView. If you're looking for a trading platform, one of these two is going to be the better choice. Let's find out which one. Okay, let's look at MetaTrader 5 now. MetaTrader 5 is developed by MetaQuotes. It is a multi-asset powerhouse that transcends its predecessor, MetaTrader 4, delivering a more comprehensive trading experience across Forex, stocks and commodities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. It's got 21 timeframes, so it's got 38 built-in technical indicators and 44 graphical objects for unparalleled analytical depth. And then for execution types, partial fills, and both netting and hedging account systems. It's got 6 order types. It also comes with an embedded economic calendar directly into the platform. This means you can track market movement without switching your tools. And then it's got multi-asset access, so you can trade Forex, equities, commodities, crypto, indices, and futures all from one interface. It really makes it a lot easier. Then having a look at its the depth of market. So it displays real-time order volumes at every price level, giving institutional and professional traders insight into liquidity, hidden support zones, and potential reversals that MetaTrader 4 or some other platforms simply just cannot provide. Then having a look also at their automated trading. So their advanced MQL5 programming language enables traders to build, optimize, and deploy EAs with a far greater sophistication than MetaTrader 4. It's object-oriented design, faster execution, and it is a vibrant marketplace which makes automation accessible literally at every level. Having a look over here, you get faster execution, so minimal latency connections to deeper liquidity pools. This is ideal for scalping and high-frequency strategies. It also has cloud-powered strategy optimization across multiple pairs, simultaneously cutting testing time quite dramatically. Having a look now at TradingView, and TradingView I think is quite a classic. If you haven't heard of or even tried TradingView, then it's worth a shot. It's revolutionizing market analysis by combining professional-grade charting tools with an active global community, creating an ecosystem where technical analysis meets social collaboration for traders of all experience levels. This is some of the key features that are worth mentioning. So proprietary scripting languages designed specifically for creating custom indicators and trading strategies with a gentle learning curve compared to more traditional programming languages. It has a great market coverage, so it has comprehensive data for global markets with a vibrant community of over 30 million users sharing analysis, strategies, and custom indicators across all major asset classes. It is a 100% web-based architecture which eliminates installation requirements, providing instant access from any browser worldwide with seamless multi-device synchronization. It has got a fully featured mobile application for iOS as well as Android, which delivers the complete TradingView experience on your smartphone or on your tablet, and it enables analysis and community engagement pretty much anywhere. There we go, folks. If you are looking for a trading platform, go ahead and see what is available out there. Use them and see what works for you. If you enjoyed this, drop us a like. Happy trading.